Hello YouTubers, welcome to another presentation, and today I'm going to talk about different investment vehicles. There's a lot of people who invest and they don't really know what's out there or the difference between the different instruments that they have out there. Today I'm making this video as a quick introduction to just give you the basics of all the investment vehicle there is out there, and you can better have a better grasp on how to invest and what to do. Now, for the main investment vehicle that are out there, we're going to start with stocks. Those are the most common one. And when we're talking about stocks, it's such a big field. There's many different fund or indexes that were created. They're just different strategies, but they all have some relation to do with stocks. But if you understand stocks, you can somewhat understand what they do. All right, and those subgroups are like exchange traded fund, which is an ETF, an index fund, a mutual fund, options. I mean, the list can go on and on, but I'll just list those for now. But they all have some relation with stocks. So this is why, like, once we go through stocks, you'll be able to understand what those other group does. All right. The next one is bond. Well, bond is different from stocks. They're not in the same category. All right, they're different investment vehicle, if you will. Then you have your commodity, which is different from both stock and bond. You have the foreign exchange market, and then you have cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency have some relation to stocks in terms of how it works and how it's traded. However, since the markets are completely unrelated, I choose to give it its own section. But once we go to stocks, describing cryptocurrency market will be kind of easy. All right, so let's move. Now, when most people invest, they kind of like just throw their money in the dark. They don't really have a set plan for their investment. Okay, and this is very crucial. Okay, so the way that I personally tackle investment is almost as if like you are planning a destination. So let's say that I was in Florida and I was trying to get to Canada. All right. So here's the map here. I'm down in Florida, in Miami, and I'm trying to get all the way up to Fredericton, Canada. All right. So I need to plan my route. Okay. How I'm gonna get there? I can get there by ground transportation. Okay. I can take a boat there, or I can fly there. Okay. Each one of those routes or of those vehicle will have a different cost, will have a different timeline, and I will have a different risk tolerance. Okay, if I'm seasick a lot, that'll be a risk to me to take a boat there. Or if I don't like flying, flying will be a little risky to me. So each one of those routes will get me there. Some will get me there faster, some will get me there slower. But eventually, using one of those mode of transportation, I will get there. Okay. Well, the exact same idea exists in stocks. Okay, so let's say that you had $500 and you're trying to convert that to $1,000. Okay, you can use those instrument vehicle like stocks, bond, commodity, foreign exchange market, and cryptocurrency to turn that $500 into your destination to $1,000. Okay, you have to have the same mindset, and each one of those vehicles will have a different cost, a different timeline, and a different risk tolerance associated with it. You're going to have to understand what each one of those group does in order for you to understand how to put your money into one or multiple of those group to let it grow to $1,000. And depending on how fast you need that to happen, how much risk you're willing to take, that will all depend on which area you go. So why is that even important for you to know? Well, the thing is, you want to be really good at what you do. If you're going to invest your money, you want to make sure that you understand what you're doing. So knowing this concept simply will allow you to come up with a strategy. Okay, so you're not just going to be like everybody else that's out there who's just saying that, oh, I'm invested, and they just pick a company out of random, or they got a recommendation from one of their friends, or they go to YouTube and listen to a podcast about someone saying this company is gonna explode, and they just put their money there. Okay, you're really gonna be able to come up with a strategy to know exactly what you're doing. And once you have a strategy, if it's successful, you're gonna be able to replicate that success. So therefore, that's gonna bring you more success in the future. All right. And if it doesn't work, you're gonna be able to adjust your strategy. You're gonna be able to know exactly why it didn't work. All right. And that understanding is gonna help you because that's gonna remove any doubt that you have in your mind. Okay. That's gonna remove any uncertainties. It's just gonna shut all the noise out because you're gonna understand what you're doing. And if something isn't quite right, you'll be able to adjust. You're gonna be able to know exactly what's happening. And once you get that concept, your timing gonna be better, because in investing, timing is everything. If you come in at the right time, your potential to make money is exponential versus someone who came in late. You always want to be early when you invest. All right, so that's why in the upcoming presentation, I'm gonna take my time and explain all the vehicle in details to you, such as stock, bond, commodity, foreign exchange market, and cryptocurrency. I'm gonna spend my time and just really dive in each one by themselves. They're all gonna have their separate videos, and I'm gonna explain what they are, what are their costs, what is the timeline, what's the risk tolerance, so you all are on the same page, so you can understand how the market behave. And if you do choose to invest, you know exactly what you're doing. All right, this is a quick introduction for you guys. This is all I have. If you like this presentation, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, just go into the comment, let me know what you didn't like about it, and I'll be sure to fix that. And if you like to know when I release those videos, please hit the subscribe button, and next to it there's a little bell. Hit that, and I'll be sure to notify you the next time I put a video out. All right, guys, please be safe, and I'll see you next time.